Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert a table into Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you already have a table saved in a spreadsheet or some other maybe Word document or somewhere else, once you've copied it, you can tap the Control V on your keyboard to go ahead and actually paste it into Google Docs. However, if you're looking to actually create a new table in Google Docs, what you would want to do is select the Insert tab and then select Table. And then at this point, go ahead and insert how many columns and rows you'd like this table to be. And you can also select Table Template to the top here to select various different options or different templates you may not have even known about that can be included into Google Docs. So it's a nice little feature to know they have a few different templates you can choose from in here. But like I said, pretty straightforward process on what you'd probably be looking for today's tutorial. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.